everyone, welcome to the Millennial Meals channel, and today we are going to be making beef chili soup. So I don't know about you, but I can eat beef chili soup any time of the year. If it's hot, if it's cold, like we can get it. I love this meal just because it's so hearty. It's very good. It's just a really good all the way around meal. So if you're interested in learning how to make this recipe, let's get into it. First, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I went ahead and diced up 1 small onion. Then you're going to dice up 1/2 of a green bell pepper. You can use a whole bell pepper, but I just like to use half. Then you're going to have this cook for 5 minutes or so, basically until the onion is translucent. You can move on to the next step and adding the ground beef. I'm using a 90% lean ground beef. And now for the spices, so I'm going to add some chili powder, a little bit of salt, garlic powder, some black pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, after you pour the spices, you're going to make sure you want to mix everything up together and cook it about for 6 to 7 minutes. After the meat is cooked, you're going to add diced tomatoes. Now it's time to get saucy by adding some beef broth to the mix. I went ahead and rinsed and drained some red kidney beans. I would recommend using the kidney beans from the can just because it will save you a lot of time. So now I'm going to be adding Marie Sharp, which is a Belizean hot sauce. If you're not about that life, I would recommend to skip this step, but I like my food spicy. Now you're going to cook the chili on low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. There's so many toppings you can have with chili. I'm going to be using some avocados, some cheese, and some red onions. So the thing I really love about beef chili soup is that you can add so many toppings such as sour cream, green onions, red onions, avocados. Like sometimes I like to make cornbread on the side just to make it, have that little twang to it. So if you enjoy watching this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.